guys, my name is Aaron Ramirez. Thank you guys so much for catching today's video. Now I know this video has absolutely nothing to do with like fashion and fitness, but I thought this would be a really fun video to make. So I'm assuming a lot of you guys who are subscribed to my channel are around my age, which is around high school students, like, given that my YouTube channel name is High School Fashion. However, to get the money to afford all these clothes and like the videos that I make, I needed to get a job. And getting a job at 16 was fairly difficult, but once I got it, I realized what works and what doesn't. So for today's video, I thought it would be really fun to share with you guys on how I get a job at 16 years old, because I know it is really difficult. But before we get into that, my name is Aaron Ramirez. I am a high school student, obviously, who tries to help out people with like lifestyle, fashion, fitness, stuff like that. So if that sounds interesting to you, then make sure and subscribe. I would really appreciate that. But other than that, let's get straight into today's video. So the number one tip that I can give you is, when you're filling out your resume, leave out your age. The reason why I say that is because age discrimination is a real thing. So after you already impress them, then that's when you mention the fact that you are 16. Number two, when you're filling out your application, make sure that you let them know that you are as available as possible. I know when I filled out an application, it said how many hours you were available. So just try to click all the boxes. For me, I said that I was available 36 to 40 hours, which was basically 4 hours Monday through Friday and 8 hours Saturday and Sunday. Number three, get as many references as possible. Don't use your family if they have the same last name as you. I put 3 of my teachers down as references, and make sure they're cool about it, and make sure they actually like you so they can put in a good word. Number four, put as much work experience as you possibly can. That sounds professional. And if you weren't employed before, you could still put volunteer work is a good one. Community service looks really good. Number five is going to be apply everywhere that you possibly can. The 2 websites that I used were Indeed and Snag. Those ones really work for me. I applied literally everywhere around my area. The more you apply, the better chance you have of getting a call back. So I definitely recommend applying like literally everywhere, like I keep saying. Number 6 is one that not a lot of people know, and to be honest, I found out not too long ago as well, and that is going to be, don't wait for a call back. You gotta call them and like bug them. For example, I got an interview I just set up when I called them. I turned in my application and resume, and then 3 days later I called them and asked to speak to the manager and asked her if she had any chance to check out my resume yet. She said no, she'll get back to me in a little, and then 3 days later I didn't get anything, so I called again, and then she said yes. She said that yes, she saw my resume and then she wanted to get me an interview. So a few days later I came in. Unfortunately, I didn't get the job, but I did kill that interview, which is fine because I work somewhere else now. Number 7 is something that a lot of people look over, and that is going to be talk to your friends. If you're like in a community, like, I don't know, for example, like a church maybe. If you talk to someone, chances are they're friends with a manager somewhere, and since they know you, they could put in a really good word to the manager. That just ups your chances of getting hired even more. I feel like it's like 1,000 times easier. Number 8 is going to be for when you actually get the interview. Just know first impressions really matter. So when you get the interview, go up to them, look super presentable. I always wear chinos and dress shoes and a polo, so I look pretty formal, but not like I'm trying too hard. Just don't look like a try hard. You can just look dapper and nice. Speak with confidence, and chances are they will like you a lot more. Anyways, that's the tips that I have. That's what helped me get hired. I hope this helped you out a ton. Like I said, I know it's really difficult to get a job, and I know like if you don't have a job, like it's difficult to get money so you could, you know, buy all the clothes you want. Trust me, I understand. However, in my channel, I do talk a lot about how you don't need a lot of money to dress nice. So if you're interested in checking out my other videos, I would really appreciate it. Like I said, subscribe. I would love you if you do. Leave a like if this helped you, share it to your friends. And other than that, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Aaron Ramirez, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.
Shots with me. I'm traveling fast, I'm clean. I've run this land one man.